Hai Bintang, Assalamualaikum.
Bisa deh.
Hmm. So, check, check. Your voice is a little bit low, Bintang. Hang on a second. What's this? Where's Ahsan anyway? Ahsan. Oh, Ahsan. Hmm. Bintang, eh, there he is. Bintang, were you here the last session? I forgot. You were absent, right?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. So the last session, I already told Ahsan and Alvin that today we are going to have TQQ or Teaching Quality Questionnaire. So it's not about you, it's a questionnaire about me. So the Leah wants to know what you think about me and my teaching. That's why you are going to fill a questionnaire. Okay. Hi, Ahsan. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Mm-hmm. So let's just start so we won't lose our time for TQQ. 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 Oh, forget. Before I give you the link, check this one out. Okay. When you do the TQQ, mhm, hang on. This is what you'll have. You will later click the link I give you in the chat box, and you need to complete the data. Don't worry, there is no name there, so I won't know, or Leah doesn't know, will not know who is filling what number, okay? Read the questions carefully. Now, all the questions are like this, scale. So if we never do it, it's 0 times. If we always do it more than 11 times, it's 4, okay? If you don't understand any questions at all, please ask. After that, don't close the tab yet after you finish the QQ because you need to screenshot the that page. Remember, like when you've done flip materials, you've got the Zoom notification. Now you need to screenshot that and send it to the group. Okay. It will take about 10 minutes or so, maybe less. Okay. Hang on a second. Let me share the link in the chat box. There. Please click the link. Okay. There's only one branch. There you go. Your program is English for Teens, ET, or General English for Teens, GTE, GET. Okay, when you're done, you can go to the next page. The level. Do you know what level you are? Guys, do you know what level you are?
No.
No. Okay, you are in GET 6, so it means TEP 2. This one. Okay. ET 6 or TEP 2. Okay, let's check the next part. Now, this one is about you. Don't worry. You can fill it as honestly as possible. There's no point deduction or whatever. Do you do the flip materials? Yeah, of course lah, Miss Teti. You put the Zoom link there. Oh, remember when you are absent, it's not counted. Kalau kalian absen dan nggak ngerjain, itu nggak dihitung. Oke. Yang dihitung kalau masuk apakah ngerjain. Nah, itu. So, kalau kayak kemarin bintang absen, nggak ngerjain flip material, iyalah bintang absen gitu. Jadi nggak dihitung. Tapi kalau masuk, apakah selalu mengerjakan atau tidak? Oh, kalau ini sih always. I show myself on the video and turn on the audio. This class is always turn on you always turn on your video, so I like it. You also turn on your audio when you want to speak, so there you go. Oh, this one, number 2. My teacher asks and answers questions about the flip materials in our 30 minutes. Our before Zoom activities is only 15 minutes. Kegiatan WA kita sebelum Zoom kan hanya 15 menit. So, um, it's not really 30 minutes. Okay? Tapi diingat-ingat, apakah Miss Teti pernah nanya tentang flip material atau meminta kalian mengerjakan kembali flip material atau gimana? It's up to you. It was supposed to be 30 minutes. Seharusnya 30 menit sebelum Zoom. Tapi kita hanya 15 menit. Feedback. Nah, feedback dapat berupa nilai. Misalnya tinggal lo nggak pernah nilai. Ya. Or it can be inputs atau masukan. So, saran. Bintang, kurang koma, kurang titik, something like that. That's also feedback. To demonstrate means typically it's your after Zoom activity. Jadi apa kalian diminta menulis atau diminta berbicara atau diminta membuat video atau diminta membuat infografik atau apa. Okay. When you finish, take a screenshot of the reply message and send it to the group.
Okay.
Mhm.
After submitted, we screenshot it, right?
Right. And send it to the group. Send the screenshot to the group. Okay. I haven't seen anybody sending the screenshot. Guys, do you know the quickest way to get a screenshot?
Wait, miss. I'm still open the WhatsApp bot.
Oh, okay. There you go. Asan got it. Uh, Asan, how did you get the screenshot? What did you do for the screenshot?
Just click print screen.
Nice. I thought you didn't know about it. Like some learners, I was like in high school and they go like screenshot, miss, how do I take screenshot? What do you mean how to take screenshot? You're in high school. Okay, so just click print screen and then you can install, paste it on WhatsApp. Uh, got it. Okay. Now, Asan and Bintang, this is another step. Please, do you have your phone with you? Okay, so please open that image. Sekarang gambar yang kalian kirim ke screenshot yang kalian kirim ke WA, tolong dibuka di HP and then show your phone to the camera. I need to take my screenshot as well. Katro ya, banyak banget screenshotnya. Hang on. Wait. Bintang. Let's wait for Bintang. Oh, I cannot see Bintang's. Okay, got it. Thank you, everyone. Okay, hang on. Let me send my screenshot to my. Okay, that's it. We're done with the TQQ. So guys, a reminder that you are going to have your final tests next week. Okay, so the written test will be on the 25th and the oral test will be on the 27th. So today we're going to take it easy. If you have already checked your flip material, you know that we are going to try to make something like this. A presentation about one of the public transportation. So, Bintang and Asan, what public transportation do you choose, Asan? Do you still choose the train or do you want to change to another public transportation?
Train.
Still a train. Got it. How about you, Bintang? What public?
Bus.
A what? Sorry?
Bus.
A bus. Okay. Now you need to decide which bus and which train that you are going to use. Ahsan, the last session, wrote about whoosh. Are you still going to use whoosh, Ahsan? Whoosh.
I will Shinkansen.
What? Sorry?
Shinkansen.
Shinkansen. Oh, okay. Uh, Ahsan will use Shinkansen instead in Japan. How about you, Bintang? What kind of bus are you going to use?
Surabaya bus.
Surabaya bus. Got it. Now we are going to talk about this, how to write your public transportation. So for example, Bintang is going to make a poster how to write Surabaya bus in Surabaya. Surabaya. And Aksan is going to make a poster how to write Shinkansen in Japan or in Tokyo. Now, first thing that you need to check to find is the line to write. So the destination of your public transportation. Okay, go on everyone. Please find out the destinations of your public transportation. For example, maybe Surabaya bus is from Purabaya to, I don't know, Tanjung Perak. Perak, maybe, I don't know. Where is it going? I'm not familiar with Surabaya bus lines too. Hmm. When you find the information, keep it aside. Ah, oh yeah, the Wikipedia is complete, Bintang. There you go. Raja Wali Purabaya, Lidah Wetan, Unesa, Kejepan. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so Bintang, you can start making the poster because the information is all here in the Wikipedia. See? So complete. Nice. You also need to find pictures to make your posters, Bintang. The Surabaya bus use a ticket, Bintang.
I forgot.
You need to find that out. I think Asan can also find Shinkansen's information in the Wikipedia. Okay. So are you going to make the poster digitally or manually? Up to you. Asan, how about you? Digitally or manually?
digitally,
Digitally, okay. Bintang?
Manual.
Manually, okay. Remember, Bintang, you also need to draw a lot then, because a poster is not only um, about text, but it is also informative with pictures. So like this, the example in your flip material. Okay. Shinkansen. Why? Why not whoosh? I already talked about whoosh the last session is that day. Today it's Shinkansen. Okay. Not Sinteyong. Oh, by the way, I just realized Asan changed his profile picture into De Bruyne. Why? Asan, you changed your WhatsApp profile picture, right?
yes,
So why did you choose De Bruyne? De Bruyne. Bruyne. How do you say his name anyway? Bruyne.
De Bruyne,
Okay, De Bruyne. Why?
because he's the best at Manchester City.
Hmm. But Belgium lost their first game. Yeah, I thought you would choose one of the Netherlands player. No, players. Okay, since Bintang is going to do it manually, I cannot see it all the time on the screen. Asan, can you share your screen so I can see how it is progressing? De Bruyne. There you go. You have the template. Okay. You can write the title first. Shinkansen. 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 How to write Shinkansen. By the way, nice one, everybody. You got the full score for your flip material. Hi, friends. Today I want to share with you how to write. So, Bintang and Ahsan, if it's possible, we're going to finish this poster at 5 past 7, okay? 1905. And it's not all because you need to provide sound for it. So you are going to send the picture to WhatsApp. Also, you need to send your audio, your voice, talking about the poster. Hi everyone, today just your voice. You don't need to show your face. Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to write Shinkansen. Shinkansen, just like in the flip material. First, we blah 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 blah. Second, we blah 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 blah. Wait, Shinkansen is only 130 kilometers per hour. Oh, they have the one with 500 kilometers. Ooh, it also has underwater tunnel to ride. Nice. Mm. Asan, you can talk about the route, like which train to ride, different types of Shinkansen. Shinkansen. Oh, Decide where to go and which train to ride. There are how many Shinkansen routes? There you go. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 routes, right? Bintang two. Bintang, when you talk about number one, decide where to go and which bus to ride, you need to give the routes. There are 5, how many? Surabaya bus? I don't remember. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bus lines to go. While you're doing your poster, let me remind you that for the final written test, as usual, there will be multiple choice part, pilihan ganda, and the essay part. Please make sure that you do the essay part quickly. Biasanya yang suka ketinggalan tuh bagian esainya. So, like, you didn't read the requirements carefully, kurang hati-hati, kurang teliti membaca persyaratannya, sehingga ada yang ketinggalan ketika bikin esainya. So make sure that you do it. Also, if it's possible, finish your essay 5 minutes before the time. Esainya diselesaikan 5 menit sebelum waktunya habis. So, if there is a technical glitch, kalau ada kesulitan, nggak bisa submit atau apa gitu, you can talk about it with your proctor. Bisa dikontak pengujinya di grup, kasih tahu, Mister aku nggak bisa kirim nih, gimana submitnya nggak, tombol submitnya nggak bergerak, for example. Okay. Usually the proctor will ask you to take screenshot nggak bisa, but you can use your phone to take screenshot of your essay. Tapi kalau makanya mesti 2 gadget biasanya kan kita. Kalau terjadi apa-apa dengan yang di laptop, HP-nya bisa foto kirim. Okay. As for the oral test, untuk oral testnya, just like our practice during the middle test, during the midterm test, please make sure that you always answers questions longer than just yes, no. Okay? Kalau di awal ada pertanyaan warming up questions, make sure that you answer those not with only one word. Kita udah belajar kemarin gimana supaya jawaban kita lebih panjang, lebih berisi daripada cuma yes, no. Bintang, do you have any hobbies? Yes, I do. So, Bintang, do you have any hobbies? Yes, I do. I love drawing and playing music. I love them because I'm a creative person. Okay. So make sure your answers are longer than just 1, 2 questions, 1, 2 answers. Oh yeah, one more. What if your partner gets stuck and doesn't say anything? Kan tesnya mesti berpasangan. Walaupun kalian bertiga tetap pasangan. Ahsan dengan Bintang, Bintang dengan Alvin, Alvin dengan Ahsan. Mesti gitu kan. So, if one person gets stuck, kalau ada yang terdiam, nggak bisa lanjut, just continue. You give them time. Udah dikasih waktu sekitar setengah menit atau 40 detik, masih diam, hening. Lanjutkan aja. Kalian lanjutkan ke poin berikutnya. Nanti temannya biar menyusul. Okay? Karena kalau temannya diam, terus kalian juga diam sampai setengah jam, the test won't end and your score will also get affected. Skor kalian juga akan terpengaruh. Okay? Jadi kalau temannya udah hening lebih dari setengah menit, lanjutkan aja. The most important thing about the oral test is that you stay calm. Tetap yang paling penting kalau oral test itu adalah tenang. Okay? Read the prompts carefully. Kalau diberi waktu 1 menit, jangan pikirannya kemana-mana. Lapar banget nih, belum makan. Dikasih waktu 1 menit, dibaca promptnya dengan baik. Okay, so you read the prompt nicely and carefully. I was talking about like when you were in GET 4, waktu kalian pertama masuk GET kan, GET 4 tuh. And I was the proctor for the oral test. Miss Teti jadi prokternya untuk oral testnya. And I could feel your confusion. Kalian pasti betul-betul bingung waktu oral test pertama kali ya. Karena biasanya nggak sistem begitu. Usually it's the proctor asking the questions. But suddenly you have to talk with your partner. Tiba-tiba oral testnya harus berdialog dengan teman sekelasnya. That's why I said to the other teachers to practice oral tests in the classroom. Okay. Sejak itu kita sepakat untuk melatih siswa untuk oral test di kelas. Bintang, can I see your progress? Can you show your paper at the moment? Oh, nice. Okay, go ahead. When you talk about tickets, you can also add the price of the ticket. So for example, for Shinkansen, it's, I don't know, 100 yen or no, impossible. How much is it? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Son, there are 8 lines for Shinkansen. Scroll down. You will find the lines. More. It's down there. Again. Stop. Now, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. 1, right? There are 8 lines. Shinkansen ticket. The most you astaghfirullah. Okay. The most expensive Shinkansen ticket is 29,000 yen. Whoa, 29,000 yen to ITR. 3 million. That's the most expensive ticket. 3 million rupiahs. About. Hmm. Oh, the cheapest one. How much is the cheapest Shinkansen ticket? Hasan, remember to put pictures also. So not just texts, okay? Pictures of the trains. Pinang, just like Ahsan, when you talk about the where and which train to ride, you need to mention how many routes and where they go. See, this is why making a poster is also learning English. You get to make a poster and you need to gather information. How you do that? Well, some of the information, most of the information on the internet is in English, so you will have to read a lot in English. That hones your reading skills. If the reading is in Indonesian, you still have to translate it to English to make the poster. So it's a win-win situation. We have 15 more minutes to try and complete the poster. Let's go, guys. Don't take too long. Wait, why is the price in dollar, Asan? Why is it not in yen? Seriously, the price is only 80 yen? 80 yen is like 800 rupiah. Oh, okay. 800. So, 80 yen, 800 rupiah. Eh, 80 yen is 8,000. Is it 80 yen. 8,000. Mm. Asan Shinkansen with capitalized S. Oh, so they don't use real tickets anymore nowadays? Only QR tickets? Just sit on your seat, Asan. This is the problem when you are doing it manually. I cannot take a look at what Bintang is doing. So I will only give the feedback after he finishes. How is it, guys? Have you finished? Asan is not finished yet. Bintang, how about you?
Not finished.
Not yet. Say 5 more minutes. Let's go. Try to complete it in 5 more minutes. This is a very nice picture. Fujiyama in the background. Do you know how to edit the frame, Asan? Double click the frame. Here. No, no, no. Double click. Click, click. There you go. You can make the picture bigger or smaller, uh, even after it's inside the frame. Yo, guys, it's already past 12. Hmm. Bintang, have you finished?
Almost.
Almost. Guys, time is up and I need to end the class. Hassan hasn't finished. Indah, how about you? Have you finished now?
I only need to give a color.
Oh, look, Hassan is gone. Dude. Okay, so, Bindang, like I mentioned earlier, you didn't only make a poster, but also you need to provide the audio for it. So after you take a photo of your poster, you need to send the photo and your audio saying like the one in the uh, in your sorry in your flip materials like this. Hi friends or hi everyone. Today I want to share with you how to ride the Surabaya bus in Surabaya. Okay, first, blah 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 blah. You don't have to make a video if you don't want to, but you can send your voice notes. Okay, Bintang?
Okay,
Do you have any questions?
no.
No? Is it? No, no, because this is our last day. I'm not going to put a deadline, okay? So I hope you can send it as soon as possible. Okay, Bintang?
Yes.
You are free to make your poster as good as you want to be. Okay, so remember the next week you are going to have your final test. Okay, thank you so much for joining today's session, Bintang.
Yes, yes.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.